Hello everyone, welcome to part 227 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 8. So we will first check that which point we have done. We have done the export to Excel point. In last few videos, you have seen that we have done that export to Excel feature, like for the orders, for users, for newsletter subscribers. Okay, so now it's the time to do the import from Excel. Okay, so we are going to make its feature in admin panel as well, so that we can import whatever we want to import from Excel file to our database. Okay, so there are two ways to import. One is from the file itself, from the CSV file itself. Like if I will export this file, many of the time third party provide us the CSV file to import. Okay, like the pin codes they want to update from time to time. In e-commerce website they want us to update the pin codes. Okay, so they will provide such kind of file, here. See, this is the CSV file they are going to provide us, so that we can import this file, we can update this file in our database. So there are two ways to do that. One is from the PhpMyadmin itself. Here is the import option. Okay, I'm going to tell you the points that you need to take care of. Okay, so there are few steps to import, and one is the way from the admin panel. Okay, we are going to make its feature in admin panel, but that we are going to do in our next video. We are going to import from the admin panel. We will provide the feature because the client will not come here in PhpMyadmin. Okay, client don't know that how to use this PhpMyadmin. See, in this video I'm going to tell you that how to import from the Excel file. Okay, so see, here we have taken this file here. Okay, and these are the points. I'm going to show you the points here. Like these are the some of the basic points you need to take care of. First of all, the thing is that prepare your CSV file. CSV file format must be same. The column names must be matching. Like there are four columns here. You can check, there are four columns: ID, pin code, credit and update date. So here in our CSV file, there must be four columns. Okay, so you can name ID, pin code, credit, update date. The same names you can keep. And after that, see, you can need to update the date time. Okay, date you need to update here. You can check. The next one is to update the created and updated at dates to this format YYYY because this format is only understand by MySql can understand this format. Okay, no other format. So make sure that we will update the date format here. So I'm going to update this date format. Like right click, format cells. See, I will click on date, and here I'm going to make its format this one will get understand by the database. Okay, by the PhpMyadmin. So I'm going to use this for all the columns, and the same uh, columns I'm going to use like this one. Okay, you just require to copy and make it same. Okay, so you can make this and you can save. So I don't want all that much, that may take time. I will just use some specific one. I'm going to remove all other. Like I can remove from here to here. Okay, that much are enough for me, so I can save. So I'm going to make it, I will keep its backup, SQL file backup, and now I'm going to make it empty the table. Now our table is empty. Now see, I'm going to use this file here. This is the file, modified file. Okay, and see, we are going to left the first column because first row, because the first row is the all the headings are located. So we don't want to import this heading, so we are going to leave the first row. Okay, and rest of the option we will remain the same, and we're going to click on go, and it will take few seconds to update. It depends upon the number of rows you are adding. Okay, and I think it's around the 10,000. Okay, so see, I'm telling you that here I'm going to see now it has been done, and you can see import is successful. We able to import 10,678 rows. Okay, so this is the way we can import. Here these are the steps. First of all, we are going to prepare our CSV file, and the column name must be matching, the Excel column name must be matching with the table column names, and we are going to updated at date format to this one. And then we will go to PhpMyadmin. We will select the database and table, and then see, make sure the column names are same, and we will click on import button, and we will browse our CSV file, and we are going to skip the first row. We are going to type 1, and we are going not going to change any other option. We will keep all the option as it is, and then finally we are going to click on go button to import our file. So this is the way that we can import our CSV file from PhpMyadmin. In next video we are going to do from the panel. I don't know why it is not working. I'm going to show you in Chrome. Just wait for few seconds. Okay, okay, so this is the dashboard, our Laravel e-commerce dashboard, and here we are going to make the separate tab for pin codes, and uh, like orders are there. Okay, so we are going to make this separate tab, and after that we are going to provide the import feature. Okay, we are going to add the feature in this admin panel in the next video. Okay, so please stay tuned for that, so you know about these steps. Okay, and if you have any trouble, you can surely ask me. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.